Okay, so in this video we'll be talking about how to create inspection or preventive maintenance categories. So all you got to do is go to service module, and now if you look at any new inspection or any existing PM, we see these categories. Okay, so of course, as I have briefed in my previous videos, so you may set up different types of categories, and then you may link different types of or individual specific checklist for each category. Okay, so first you need to create these categories, then you can create checklist templates, and then you can assign or link categories to respective checklist or checklist template, or maybe forms of various types. So in order to create these categories, all you got to do is you go to settings, go to CRM settings, and then you go to types. So in types you'll see inspection categories, and when you go to inspection categories, all the categories of course are listed here. So this is how you may set them up. Now suppose you need to set up a new category, so you may define the name, you may define the code. If you need to set up a parent category for this category, you may do that also. Once you're done with that, you can add or link a template to this category. So for example, it could be an elevator inspection. Okay. Now what happens is, when you create this category and you link this template to it, when you assign this PM or inspection to a tech, and as soon as he starts this job, the checklist for elevator inspection would be made available to him. So likewise, if you happen to select cleaning inspection, the checklist may be different. So this is how you may create new categories and assign different checklists to it. I hope it was helpful. If you have any question or any query, drop me a message and I would love to answer that. Thank you so much for watching.